You want to do that again? Did you get that, Garland?
Yeah, did you?
I mean, do you understand what happened?
You want to get that again, Lee? Do we still? You got it? Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I think.
We'll go into the laboratory now and take a look at a fuel cell up close.
The question I answered, I shouldn't have interrupted. I apologize. Your cracker, the heat that is 700 degrees, that power comes from your battery.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And is it done with an electrode?
So this is the whole unit here, the fuel cell unit. And there's the 700 degrees centigrade, heats that ammonia, and they have that ammonia cracker is patented as well. And so now we're going to see more inside. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so here are the two products that we make here, or that we will be making here when we're in production. And one is the alkaline fuel cell. This is the same fuel cell that you saw out there in the power plant. That's the 5 kilowatt fuel cell. And then this is a battery made with lead foam. It's what we call an 8D battery, type 8D, 400 ampere hour capacity. Most 8D batteries, lead acid batteries, are 200 ampere hour capacity. This is 400 ampere hour.
Is it the lead foam?
Lead foam, yeah.
And tripolar.
Yeah, of course, always tripolar. Now the electrodes, we make them here in the lab by hand. We'll be doing it with through automation by putting in a coating machine a little bit later. But they're made here on this roller. This is an electrode which is made here by hand on this roller. And there are 3 layers of carbon here, and each layer has its own formula. And then this is a nickel screen, and then this electrode then gets framed with a plastic frame that goes around it, and that directs the gases, hydrogen and oxygen, onto both sides of this electrode. And all these electrodes then are stacked up into what we call fuel cell stack. And that one is a 5 kilowatt fuel cell stack. This is the screen, nickel screen that we use as the substrate for the electrode. And then you can appreciate here by looking at this. You see a number of these electrodes are all stacked up here. And that's what we call a fuel cell stack.
All right. Okay. Any questions from the gallery regarding fuel cells specifically? Dan?
None here.
None from Dan. Toby?
Done it very well.
You know, I have to admit, I don't really understand how that fuel cell works. Not the secret sauce part that you'd have to kill me if you told me.
If you bring hydrogen into this, hydrogen comes into this port here, and then you have air coming into this, and 20% of the air is oxygen. So hydrogen comes in here, air comes in here, and the oxygen from the air and the hydrogen combine on both sides of these electrodes to form electricity. So when the oxygen and hydrogen come together through the electrode, then electricity is formed and water is formed, H2O. So we have a water tank that will collect the water.
So that's the ultimate in sustainability.
Yeah, the ultimate is that. If you want a power plant for your home, why, this is the ultimate answer. Or for backup for an elevator system, or for a hotel, or for a motel, or hospital, or whatever.